I started off by placing 6 tortillas right on the bottom of my baking dish. Now here I have some ground beef. I have 1 pound of ground beef, and I'm gonna go ahead and dish out half of this pound of ground beef right on top of those tortillas. Yummy. Now here I have some black beans. I did drain the black beans, and of course you could use any kinds of beans you want. Maybe even your favorite are refried beans, and that would be great too. Now I have some Mexican cheese, you guys, because of course we need to add some of this along with those black beans and that ground beef. So we're gonna put a little light layer of cheese right on top of those things, and this is coming along great. How about a little bit of enchilada sauce? Now I'm gonna really carefully pour that right on top of that. Just get in some enchilada sauce right on top. You can use as much as you want. I'm gonna use maybe about 1/3 of the can right on top of that layer. Layering it up with one more level here of tortillas. That's what I'm talking about, you guys. We are kind of making like this Mexican lasagna, and I think that this 1-pan dinner is easy and it's going to turn out delicious. So that's all we're doing here is we're taking all the other ingredients, make yourself one more layer. So we're gonna use the rest of that ground beef. We'll just kind of spread it out in an even layer here using our clean fingers. Then we'll grab our black beans and we'll throw a little bit more of those right on top there. See how easy this is? Oh my gosh, it's taking hardly no time. Of course, a little bit more cheese.
Cheese it up.
Cheese that up. And so many options, you guys. What are you adding into your Mexican lasagna here? So much. I don't think you can go wrong. And of course, you know, I'm gonna top it with the rest of that enchilada sauce. Just like that. That looks so tasty. We'll seal that off with our last layer here of tortillas, just locking in all of that flavor. This is gonna be phenomenal. I have a can here of diced tomatoes, and I just wanted to throw that all on top, and they're gonna soak right in here. Once again, let's go ahead and just take our clean hands and spread those tomatoes out. We can kind of tuck the ends of the tortilla down. Oh, this looks fabulous. And we're gonna top that with our last layer of cheese here, our grandest layer. We are just gonna load this up. Oh, this is gonna feed a large family, you guys. We are definitely gonna be having leftovers from this. And I think that took us, what, but a few minutes to throw together. Now, all of those layers are kind of sealed up because we got those tortillas stacked in there, which is gonna be so awesome when we take it out of the oven, we top it off with some more good stuff and slice into it, and you can see all those layers of that delicious goodness we just stacked in there. So I'm gonna pop it in the oven at 350 for 35 minutes and stick around because you're gonna love how this turns out. Wow, look at how delicious that looks. I love the golden brown, a little bit on the edges of the tortillas, making them nice and crispy. That looks absolutely delicious. Those tomatoes peeking through, I love that. Now I'm gonna add some crispy shredded lettuce right on top here, you guys. Just wait until it gets out of the oven so it's not all hot and everything still. Throw some shredded lettuce on top. If you don't like it, whatever, no big deal, don't do it. But then of course, I'm gonna take some sour cream too, and I'm just gonna add a dollop of sour cream. If you serve this family style, just put enough. You could even put enough in the center on top, or you could just take a little scoop out of it or serve it on the side. I don't know, you choose, you guys. But what I do know is that I am starving. Did you hear that crispy crunch of digging in?
Yes.
Oh yeah, this is cutting right through so nicely. Let's get all the way to the bottom layer. Wow, this is gonna be amazing. My mouth is watering. Let's get right inside there. Look at that, that's coming out like a champ right there. All right, look at that. Wow, those things look so good. That looks super tasty. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, I love how that just stays together just like that. That looks amazing. All right, Mexican lasagna, here we go. I need to get in there and I'm gonna grab myself a big bite. These tortillas look so good. Ooh, the tomatoes, the cheese, that beef. Oh, I want a tomato on top. Oh my gosh, yeah. This is outstanding. Even better than I thought. I love the enchilada sauce. It doesn't make it too saucy. Look at that on the inside, you guys, all that flavor. How easy was that to put together? And we didn't even have that much stuff. You could switch this up, add anything, take it away. It's super simple, but that 1 can of enchilada sauce mixed into those layers really made a difference and made this consistency not too watery. It stayed together. The tortillas got soft but not soggy. I would say this is a 10 out of 10 home run, easy 1-pan dinner, you guys. Tell me if you'd switch up anything and let me know what you think about this recipe. I hope you enjoy, and we'll see you later.